Welcome to our tutorial, the value of automation through the eyes of a customer. My name is Jasper de Jode and I work as an application specialist at Lab Services. In my work, I make the translation between the wishes of the customer and the fully automated platform. I know how to create added value for customers at both an application as well as an executive level like no other. During this tutorial, I would like to take you along into the world of laboratory automation and the benefits that automation offers for an organization like yours. Together with one of our customers, we will show you the added value that an automated platform has for their organization by means of a platform that we designed for them. Let me start with a brief introduction of Lab Services. Lab Services started automating standardized laboratory processes in 1992. Since then, we have specialized in integrating robot and laboratory equipment and top-level service. As a privately owned company based in Breda, the Netherlands, Lab Services consists of a team of driven, knowledgeable and specialized people with a passion for automation. As we are completely brand independent, we offer dedicated integration with your favorite choice of instrumentation, resulting in unrivaled flexibility. This enables us to fully focus on your wishes, equipment and preferences, all controlled by our own software, Plate Butler, offering you the best solution to any automation challenge you may have. At Lab Services, we provide the tools to make everyday work easier, more flexible and user-friendly, with high quality, accuracy and service being of great importance. Plate Butler is our holy grail of dynamic scheduling. In our years as automation experts, experience has taught us software needs to be adaptable, simple and fast. This is why we developed the flexible Plate Butler software, a unique and advanced solution for laboratory automation to facilitate integration of multiple modules and robots. User-friendly with our signature design. Everything we do is aimed at improving and scaling up your processes, at developing new solutions to help laboratories all over the world meet the requirements of a global market. Simulations based on user requirement specifications are executed to pre-assess the feasibility of optimized processes. Our own dynamic scheduling software, Plate Butler, is the perfect answer for user-friendly and flexible integration. It enables you to deliver your results much faster and more efficiently without ever losing sight of quality. At the same time, the demand for intelligent automation of single machines has been on the rise. In a constantly changing market, systems may run on device X one day and device Y the next. This is why we have developed the Heron. Flexible, user-friendly and universal automation. The Heron principle is simple. A robot with 2 or up to 4 short plate dispensers or stacked plate hotels and corresponding customized Plate Butler software. Out of the box and ready to be suspended from your own workbench or workplace. The safety protection of the robot makes it safe to operate side by side with personnel without the need for safety barriers. Integrate 1 or 2 single devices with the Heron to enable collaboration as one application. For seamless integration, an array of interfaces are available from the Plate Butler library. So why should you choose for laboratory automation? Most, if not any, laboratory process can be automated, resulting in increased productivity and less human errors. When I was working in the lab and needed to pipette a 384 well plate, it would sometimes happen that a given row or column was missed or dispensed twice. This would give false results, so the test had to be repeated, resulting in loss of valuable material, extra reagents, and in the end, additional costs. The key factor for automation is removing the human factor from manual handling of laboratory processes. Automation can come in many forms, shapes and sizes. From optimizing processes using only a couple of instruments and still have some user interference, to platforms that offer a complete walkaway solution. Looking at a standard microtiter plate automation process, it can entail either DNA extraction or PCR prep, all the way to sample to analysis, for example, DNA extraction to final genotyping result. When carrying out such an application by hand, you are limited to a certain number of plates on a given working day. An automated platform will offer a walkaway solution going beyond the normal 8-hour working day, by working around the clock and thereby increasing the throughput easily threefold. Even in a normal 8-hour working day, a robotic arm would be more productive as breaks are not necessary. Standardizing laboratory processes is another important advantage that laboratory automation has to offer. Because every technician pipes differently, there will always be intervariation between two technicians that carry out the same protocol. Automation removes any form of variation from one technician to another and leaves only instrumental variation, which will be the same over the whole automation platform. Processes that involve a lot of pipetting and other repetitive actions are unpleasant and often very time-consuming. By using an automated platform, these time-consuming and repetitive steps are no longer an issue, and technicians can focus on more important tasks. These are just a few factors of the benefits of laboratory automation. For our customer showcase, I would like to introduce HZPC, founded in 1898 and located in the north of the Netherlands in the middle of the seed potato fields. HZPC has grown to become global market leader in seed potato trading, innovative breeding and concept development. In recent years, HZPC has focused more on research than development, and they invested heavily in new robotic systems by lab services, the perfect addition to HZPC's modern cultivation method. Agatha van der Leij from HZPC is happy to take you on their journey in their automation process.
Where some might see a potato, we see a world of possibilities and endless varieties. We tell a 100-year-old story that sprang from a single seed potato. We are in the field of spring, of starting new ways. We give life to better breeds. We are guiding durable growth for the well-being of people worldwide. We stand our ground. We dig deeper. Beneath the surface, we keep seeking. We share knowledge. We serve solutions. We are researchers. We are enablers, initiators, innovators. We are HZPC.
Hi, my name is Agatha van der Leij. I'm a team leader operations at HZPC. In our laboratory are working 3 analysts, Renske, Henriette and Aukje. We also have 1 lab automation specialist, Michelle, and 2 fully automated robot systems. Our main activities we could divide in 2 big projects. First one we run from January till July, and a second one from July till December. In the first part, we fully focus on marker-assisted selection that helps our breeders to choose the best future varieties. Second half of the year, we focus on pathogen detection tests. Both big projects we are running with PCR tests. In 2012, we started with 40,000 seedlings. This work was possible to do with only 1 analyst and pipetting by hand. But then we saw the prognosis and we knew that within 5 years we are growing to almost 200,000 seedlings per year. And then we decided to visit many exhibitions to look for lab automation systems. At that time we found 2 different systems. One was a fully closed compartment and a second one was a robot arm. And because flexibility is for us very important, we decided to choose for a robot arm. With this robot arm, we are able to integrate many different machines in one system. And because our world is changing very fast, we are also able to replace one machine with a new one. That's why working with Plate Butler is a full pleasure and great flexibility for all of us. Before choosing the right supplier, we also look at the service support. That's why HZPC found a great partner in lab services. After installation of the new system, analysts got really good training to help them to learn how to work with the robot system, and lab automation specialist always gets a fast response from field specialists from lab services. If you want to make such a big growing step from 40,000 seedlings to 200,000 seedlings, you have to first analyze your process. In this case, we found two bottlenecks. First bottleneck was transferring DNA sample into the destination plate to further perform the PCR. Second bottleneck was screening the endpoints. With our system, we can use at the same time PCR, transferring and reading the endpoints. That's why our work in a laboratory became much better and much faster, because you can run many processes at the same time and your analysts can focus on totally different tasks and prepare new projects. Other benefit of lab automation is that we created new two job possibilities. First one was a new analyst that joined our team last year, and a second one is lab automation specialist. Because of these two new jobs, we were able to make even bigger growth within our breeding program. And now we are running almost 450,000 seedlings per year. I really like that my team could focus on the work that they really like to do. So that's why when we hired lab automation specialists, we were much better helped with the robotic parts. Then we also included IT department and they are helping us to build track and trace system. With these three elements, analysts, lab automation specialist and IT department, we increased the capacity of our systems. But it also brought totally different profit for us. Our clients are really satisfied that they can run much more projects in our laboratory. We also run at night and in a weekend, so we are able to deliver much more data than before automation. After 4 years working with robots, we learned that you have to assign specific tasks to the specific function. This will help you to speed up the process of automation. And if you would like to hear more tips from us how to do it, I would say listen to my colleague Michelle, the lab automation specialist.
Once a new idea is born, we will write down a user requirement specification. We will pass this URS to certain suppliers to see if they can meet our requirements. If they can meet the requirements and we are sure they can also deliver good support, we will order the system. Once it is delivered, we will pass the installation qualification, operational qualification and the performance qualification. Once this is all passed well, the system is validated and the lab technicians can be taught. After teaching, the system can be taken into use. After all these validation steps, the lab technicians are ready to be trained and the system is also ready to be used 24/7. In lab services, we found a great automation partner in our journey to feed the world.
We hope that showcasing HZPC's automation experience has solved any questions you may have, as well as taken away any uncertainties. Whether you are working in pharma, crop science or CRO, at Lab Services we are committed to offer you the best automation platform to suit your needs, be it on a small or large scale. Feel free to connect with us via chat to see what we can do for your organization. Thank you for watching.